Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This my presentation is the little conflict analysis of interpersonal communication of the stakeholder and landowner in the progress of railway land composition in Pangkep against Injil April Yomir, Fatima Ferti, Muhammad Farid. Communication Science was a great program Faculties of Social Science and Political Science, Hasanuddin University. Study background, total land area of overall 2,018,534 square meters, with details of land area of 2,005,556 square meters, Pasum and Pasos land area 71,978 square meters. To the 7 district area Mandale, Sigeri, Makrang, Bakang, Bungoro, Pangkajene, dan Misatene district with 2,002 hectares of land, major of the land area rice and tambak. 3. The progress of composition is not finished due to the rejection of a number of residents who have not voted to give their land to the government. 2,196 fields area complete and 115 fields of this area paid directly, while the rest is through the coordination progress in stakeholders. And with literature review, concept study, 1. Definition of interpersonal communication, 2. Purpose of interpersonal communication, 3. Communication progress, 4. Communication varies, 5. Communication effort in handle communication varies, 6. Interpersonal communication conflict, 7. Types of interpersonal communication conflict theory study, social action theory, 2. Utility reduction theory. Method discussion use a case study approach with qualitative research methods. The types of data sources used are primary data and secondary data. Primary data was obtained through independent interviews with the hand of the transportation service, hand of the land service, and resident composition. Secondary data obtained from documentation and literature then is directly related to the race problem. The selection of information as data sources in this study used a profile sample technique of 21 people. Data collection techniques used are independent interviews, non-participants, observation, literature study, and documentation. The data then has been collected in the then analysis use qualitative data technical according to Mills and Haber in Saldana, suggesting a model of the data analysis progress then takes place internally, namely data composition, data display, and consolidation drawing. Result and discussion. 1. Interpersonal communication conflict resolution strategy in railway land acquisition in Mandala District Pangkep. 1. Communication regarding land area mapping by the National Land Agency Team for Community Land Acquisition in Pangkep Range. 2. Communication in land forces and community composition in Mandala District, Pangkep Regens. 3. Involvement of community leaders in land equality in Mandalay District, Pangkep Regens. 4. Communication in improving communication security in land and post-land acquisition in Mandalay District, Pangkep Regens. Result and discussion of 2. Factor inability interpersonal communication conflict between district courts and residents in the relevant progress in Pakajene and Eastland District. 1. Dominant inequality of composition for land acquisition pattern. 2. Varies to the communication progress. 3. Psychology varies. 4. Inconsistency in the priority of composition for land acquisition. And counseling and recommendations. Counseling interpersonal communication, conflict resolution, and railway acquisition. Normally, interpersonal communication has been established in the profession of composition for land acquisition granted by the Young Civil Register at the Pangkep District Court by utilizing a dialogical approach, but until now there are still many rejections of land acquisition carried out by communication as land owner in Mandalay District, Pangkep Regens. 2. Factor that hinder international communication conflict between district courts and residents in the railroad progress in Pangkajene and Eastland. District confession of factor injection and social isolation, barriers of to communication co-progress, psychology barriers, incompatibility of the priority of profession for the land acquisition. Recommendation 1. The difference in perception are caused by the absence of action of information between conformant and then communicated to a meeting point of the issue of land composition. So it's necessary of split communication reason in it's often through deliberation and consensus so that communication can obtain conformity of right in according with the agreement and the provision of the applicable law. 2. The provision of composition for land acquisition for the public interest has been regular in the provision of the legislation in Indonesia. Preferably, the appraisal team conflict with the Pangkep District Court to the timing of vacation is according with appraisal so that a landowner receives what this. Thank you.